Since there are no vowels on the bottom row of an English QWERTY keyboard, there is no English word that can be typed using only the bottom row. These are 10 random awesome facts. When the pyramids of Giza were built in ancient Egypt, there were still woolly mammoths living in Wrangel Island. The construction of the pyramids finished in 2560 BC, while the last known woolly mammoth died around 300 years later. If you could drive a car in a road perpendicular to the ground at a speed of 120 kilometers an hour, it would take you only 50 minutes to reach outer space and around 4.5 months to reach the moon. This house seems just like a regular house in a regular city in a regular country. But it isn't regular at all, because it's located right on the equator, which means that right now, it's summer in this part of the house and winter in this part. The average helium balloon can lift up to 14 grams. Since the average human weight is around 62 kilograms, you would need 4,428 helium balloons to lift a human. You could also use a helium balloon 5 meters in diameter to do the same. Bolivia has a navy of 5,000 personnel, 173 ships, and 2 aircrafts, despite being a landlocked country, which is a country with no access to the ocean. Mongolia, another landlocked country, also has a navy, but it's a tiny one of 7 men and only 1 single boat. China, India, the United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, and Nigeria are the 7 most populated countries in the world, and together they have more people inhabiting them than the rest of the world has combined. Since cigarette smoke contains a lot of radioactive lead and polonium, the average smoker is exposed to more radioactive radiation than people working in a nuclear power plant, and even more than people living in Fukushima, Japan, where the nuclear disaster took place in 2011. It took Erno Rubik, the inventor of the Rubik's Cube, an entire month to solve the puzzle in the first time. The current world record for solving a Rubik's Cube in the shortest amount of time is 4.69 seconds, which is 560,341 times faster than Rubik himself. Around 2% of the global population is named Mohammed, making it the most common first name on the planet. On average, 7% of the words you say is the word the. Since the video began, I have said 500 words. Of them, 35 have been the word the. Amazingly, this is exactly 7% of the word I've said. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!